I'm sure your maths teacher did not teach you this. So come close. Let me teach you how to find the LCM of two numbers without drawing those lines. Now let's talk about how to find the LCM of two numbers when they are not factors of each other and they have a common factor. What do we do? Now for the third trick. Third trick, when I have two numbers, let me say 4 and 10, and these two numbers cannot divide each other without remainder. Like 4 cannot divide 10 without remainder, and 10 cannot divide 4 without remainder. There will always be a remainder. So when the two numbers cannot divide each other without remainder, what you do is to look for their common factors. If it's possible, if there are common factors between the two numbers. Like this case now, this is not like the last one, the number 2, that had nothing in common. There's not something common between these two. What is that in common? 2 and 2, right? 2 can divide 4, 2 can divide 10. So what you do is use that common stuff to divide the 4. The result, multiply it with the 10. So if I divide 4 by 2, that's 2. 2 times 10 is now 20. So that means the LCM of 4 and 10 is 20. Another example is if you have 8 and 30. The same thing. 8 cannot divide 30 without remainder, but 2 can divide 8, 2 can also divide 30. So once there's a common factor, divide the smaller one with the common factor. The result, use it and multiply the big number. Did we get that? Another example is 15 and 100. But in this one now, so 2 divide 8 is 4. 4 times 30 is what's that? 120. That's the LCM. In this case, 15 and 100. 15 cannot divide 100 without remainder. But there is a common factor. There is a number that can divide 15 and also divide 100. What is that number? 5. So what you do is use that 5 to divide the 15. Use the 5, that answer that is remaining, multiply with 100. So if I divide 15, that's 3. 3 times 100 is 300. That means the LCM of 15 and 100 is 300. So now we've done different examples. Feel free to drop your own example. Think of two numbers, try it out. Don't just believe what I said. Try it out and see if it works. If it works, tell me thank you in the comment section. If it doesn't work, still tell me it doesn't work, and let's see why it didn't work. So try out an example and tell me what you think about this new trick I just taught you about LCM.